updated video. We're gonna be doing a seafood mukbang. This is Khai. You've seen Khai already if you watch my vlogs.
Yeah.
So we have lobster, we have
king crab, sweet corn,
we have yam and potatoes,
and a seafood mix of shrimp, mussels, and squid.
Yeah.
And our choo-choos, orange juice. No, fruit punch.
Fruit punch. And then we also have
our sauce.
Our B sauce, our B love life. Our sauce.
Seafood sauce.
Yes. So yeah. Let me turn this off. We also in this video are gonna answer some questions so you can get to know me and Khai better. All right. So go we dig in first. Fly.
What do you want?
I'm gonna start with one of them leg here. There's a lot of flies around, so that's what we're trying to find.
Outside.
Ooh.
Shade girl, you're getting down.
Down and dirty. All right. Thank you. So.
Look at the size of these flies. That's why.
All right. So.
Yeah, there.
Are you named after anybody?
No.
What do you mean?
My sister actually named me after a roommate.
Of her roommate?
He's
from China. Jesus. I'm not named after anybody. My name was supposed to be Bianca. Oh yeah. It's kind of hard though. No.
What's the only one shell cracker?
Yeah.
Remember?
No man, go back hard. Yeah. When it comes to Jackson with the knife.
I'm sorry. Technical difficulties. We'll be right back. Also, big shout out to Rainforest Seafood. That's where the seafood mix is from.
Yeah.
And the shrimp that we bought.
I don't even know what to eat.
Ooh. Gonna do this lobster. So good.
Alright, you see these crabs? We got them on Port Henderson. They came in fresh off the boat. I'm just in the vlog where Shadi and I had to run
to get the best crab.
To get the best crab from the fishermen. As the boat dock. And we that. And Jackson.
Oh my gosh. Jackson is so curious.
Yeah.
And it's hot.
The cayenne pepper gives a little kick.
You put all the cayenne pepper?
But you kind of get a nice flavor.
Yeah.
Have I ever been here? We'll put the trash on. Yeah.
So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Big house and big car. I mean, no.
5 years. 5 years from now is 2025.
Yeah, I'll be, this year I'm 23. So 5 years from now I'm 28. I should be well off, wealthy, established, business booming. What? 3 more kids? 3 more kids.
Maybe 28, you said?
Should be having like my masters.
Yeah.
Everything should be done. I should be set by 28 in the next 5 years.
So
now it's no time.
If you'll be 28, I'll be 20, because I'll be 24 this year, so I'll be 29.
Yeah. I'm married.
Sorry. I'm gonna insert this meme that I saw, and it was like this marriage thing looking more like 45. Like, in 5 years, I want to be healthy, I'd hope that I'm alive in 5 years.
Man.
My God, global war. If it's not global warming, it's politics.
True.
Oh, my eye at Twitch. No, literally my eyes are twitching. Yo, that's weird. Alright, so I also want to be finished with school. What else? What else, Kai? What else? You know, big house, nice car, all those good things, all those materialistic things. But hopefully, I also have a little family.
Yeah.
You know how the eggs are set after a certain age. But I do just want to have a wholesome life. You know, just be happy. If I can be happy, I'm not starving, then 5 years from now I'll be fine.
True.
Yeah. Alright, what's the next question? Hold on. What's good, man? Woo. 5:23 already? You guys, a lot of people ask me why I moved back to Jamaica. I have a video. It's linked down in the description box. I get this question all the time. It is linked in the description box. Who is your favorite artist? No, you know who our favorite artist is. Yeah. I don't really have a favorite artist.
Favorite male artist? The Vibes Cartel. Definitely. Above any
World boss.
Yeah. Female, Beyonce.
Beyonce? I love Rihanna.
I love Beyonce
Rihanna is
to
my
death.
favorite.
I grew up on Beyonce.
Ooh, let's see if I can get this all clean.
What a minute. I don't know that.
Shame. Yeah, so I say my favorite artist is Rihanna.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, because culturally I relate more to her.
Yeah.
I love that she's a businesswoman and, you know, a very independent woman at that. Whatever she puts her mind on, whether it be music, makeup, fashion, she does it and she does it well. And she's very inclusive.
Yeah.
A lot of brands aren't inclusive of not only people of different race, but people of different genders, socioeconomic backgrounds. What else? Religious backgrounds as well. I mean, that's socioeconomic. Religious backgrounds as well. So I really like her for that.
Yeah.
And her stuff just good.
Yeah. She makes quality stuff as well.
Yeah. Come on. And you know, she's the honorary Jamaican. Bajan people hate to hear it. But what else? And then my favorite male artist. I don't have a favorite male artist, but I have a group of artists that I love. So Vibes Cartel, I love J. Cole, Popcorn. Who else? I really, no, I'm just kidding. Javalani. He's a newer artist. Well, newer mainstream artist. Who else?
What do you think about Massacre?
Massacre nice, no, Massacre nice. But Massacre was like last year nice. Well, early last year nice. He's been slowing down.
A bit, but I think the songs that he makes still are hits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's very lyrical.
Yeah.
But the most lyrical one out to everybody is Vibes Cartel. Yeah.
Hard.
But it's only a little bit in there. Alright, what next?
No shit, no?
What's your favorite Jamaican food?
Soupies. Soupies and white rice. You know, soupies and pigtail with white rice.
Soup.
That's my favorite dinner food, Jamaican dinner food. Breakfast, ackee and saltfish with bacon and corn pork with fried dumpling. And get you little callaloo too. Good. And then for lunch, KFC.
Barbecue.
Barbecue chicken cheese. I don't just have one favorite food. I'm a foodie. And I love food. Anything that tastes good.
Alright, so my favorite breakfast is, I love eggs, sausage, bacon. I mean, I can't, there's a Jamaican, right? I can't saltfish, but what I used to have when I was younger, it's just eggs and franks. I mean, it's still Jamaican food.
Yeah.
What else? For lunch, I love brown stew chicken.
Yeah.
Rice and peas. What else? Doing.
Moment that they can come at some.
So what we have to go through? Our food never that good. Yeah, brown stew chicken, rice and peas, oxtail. I love oxtail. What else? And for everybody love KFC for lunch. Who doesn't love KFC? Well, Anisha doesn't like KFC, but KFC and even Island Grill. And what's next? I don't really like fish. I had a bad experience with fish.
Yeah, what happened?
Almost choked. I literally almost.
Really? Fishbone? Jesus.
Traumatized me. So people wonder why I don't like fish, and I told Malik it's because of the bone, and she's like, "You're lazy," but it's not because of all the bone itself.
Yeah. But it's a fear of the bone
died.
stuck in the throat. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Next question. Next question. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Next question.
I'm almost full already.
That was from Andrea Davy. Hi, Bicana. You get it? Would you be open to do an episode at or with Ras Mocha from Ras Kitchen? Yes, I would. That'd be very interesting. His channel is very big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is he doing?
Huge. Cook food. I sell food, and he lives in the jungle. Well, not really like, the jungle, but you know what I mean. And he just has a wholesome life, and people love to see it.
Oh, here? Wow. First time.
So I will definitely, I would definitely be interested in doing that video. I'll try to reach out to them and see how it's possible, because I believe he has Airbnbs that people can rent out. So I'll see how that goes. Next question is, would you get married? Would I get married? Would I get married? Yeah.
Yeah, I would. That's definitely a goal.
Yeah, but I'm not just married to anybody. That's not the point of marriage. I mean, a lot of people do, but you don't want to just marry anybody. You want to make sure that it's someone that you love, someone that you trust, you can communicate with. What? Yeah, there's a lot that goes into marriage, and it shouldn't be taken lightly. So if it ain't the right one, I guess I'll never be married. But I would like to, maybe one day. Weddings are expensive, though.
Yeah.
I don't want 3 dresses.
I don't mind a small wedding. Small and intimate.
Small like how much? Like 100?
Probably, yeah. Small and intimate, very nice sitting. I'm not fussy. Yeah.
You know I cannot. Again, I got another question asking why I moved back. I have a video linked down below. These other risky questions that you guys have asked me will have to be for another video. I'll answer them, but in another video. Oh, this is a good question. We're just talking about marriage. Someone asked, do do we think marriage is necessary?
I don't think it's necessary, but a two-parent household is necessary.
Is
The
it?
yeah, I think so. I think
grew
the
up with-
mom and the dad present in a household is more than necessary, especially with these millennials.
With the
Shade,
millennial, that's true.
you need a mom and a dad to
But-
instill both values in the kids. Trust me.
I grew up with just, or not just my mom, but I visited my father often and things like that. And yes, he did have things to teach me that my mother couldn't.
Yeah.
But mommy did a great job. She's
Yeah.
very strict. She's more masculine. She's very feminine. Like everybody knows mommy. Like she dress up and she, she's very feminine, but
She's very stern.
she's my mother and literally my father at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Boys,
Boys is a whole different
Boys?
question. Jeez.
mommy and boys. mommy, she's serious. So I think
I mean,
you can get away with not having, but like if you have to have a serious
a good
parent.
mom.
Yeah,
a good mom.
good mom or dad, a good
Yeah.
parent.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not necessarily necessary,
Sorry.
but
It's
it helps, especially in this generation.
Shania.
Want to know, Zeno? You want some of the question number?
Some of the questions we cannot even.
Yeah,
Read.
not this video, not this one. Ooh,
Here.
thank you. How is dating life in Jamaica?
Well, I'm taken by my baby daddy, Jackson's dad.
What's life like being a mother?
Oh my god, it's best thing ever. And I'm proud to be Jackson's mom. He's such an amazing child. I couldn't ask for a better son or a better child like that, you know. I mean, motherhood. I mean, it's a lot of work,
Yeah.
but I also have a lot of support, which makes it 100 times easier. You know, I have my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother. So it's like a lot of people complain about parenting being hard and it's only them, and you know, I don't have that. I can't complain. You know, God bless me. And I have a good baby. He's not fussy. He's not sick. Motherhood, parenting is one of the best jobs ever that I enjoy
Got it!
every day.
One day. Are you planning to do any? Oh, sorry, I forgot all these people. That was from Mischievous. The other question, do you think marriage is necessary, is from Tracy James. Cyclops Security asked, would you get married? And then Andrea Davy, I think I said that already. And then Bobby John, which is so interesting. Bobby, can you imagine? Bobby John. My name is Bobby John. Are you planning to do any intense pranks or challenges? Yes. Because Sasha and Malik thought they could prank me. Just wait. I want to prank Grandma too, but I don't know if her heart can take that.
First thing, probably have to be like a mild prank.
Mild prank,
No,
yeah.
too big. Mhm.
And I want to prank Mommy, but she in America, so I'm gonna know how that's gonna work.
I can't open up now.
Yeah, and it look.
Oh, probably use a spoon and dig it out.
Yes, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No more corn because I'm just eating off all the corn, Shadi.
Kai!
There's one corn left.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, it's just so good.
Alright, Ibiz TV. That was from Ibiz TV as well, but he or she asked another question saying, I'm currently deciding to take this YouTube thing serious, and I know it's quite risky, especially investing a lot. Can you advise me on what's the best camera to use and what's the best thing to use to edit videos? Would really appreciate your response. Thank you very much. I said the best camera, it depends on what you plan to do. A lot of these cameras are very expensive. If you just want to start off with your phone camera, a lot of these phones nowadays have 1080p quality, 4K. You can, if you have the money, you can get a Canon. Canon, you can never go wrong with a Canon. I have a GoPro, and the reason I got it is because it's very versatile. It's waterproof and it comes with a lot of accessories. So when I do a future video that I want to do is I want to learn how to ride a bike. I have equipment that you can put onto vehicles. You can put onto motorcycles. Yeah. Also, you can edit with iMovie. If you have a Mac, you can edit with a lot of apps on your phone. If you have Windows, I can't remember. Windows is like movie. Windows have their own editing software, and you can also, if you have the money or if you just want to Google how, free Final Cut Pro, you can download it as well, or Adobe Premiere Pro to edit your videos. Yes. All right, the next one. How do Jamaican men compare to American men? Let's say the drummer.
Wow. Clams from Rainforest Seafood mix.
You know, for the most part, men are men all over the world.
Right.
If they're good, they're good. If they're bad, they're bad. But okay.
You can ask me because I've never dated a foreign guy.
Okay. American,
I
don't want to offend anybody, so don't take it as any offense. This is my experience.
Jamaican guys, they're more lyrical, meaning
Yo,
they have a way with words.
there's something them
They have
things
a
you
way
hear.
with words, like they would say this. They would say stuff, and you'd be like, "Oh, where you get that from?"
You
Like
just have a laugh.
the similes and the comparisons, the metaphors. You're like, yeah. Sometimes them say it, and you just have no choice but to turn around and laugh.
Yeah.
The stuff they say.
So funny.
That's one.
Yeah, the pickup lines. Basically, they're pickup lines out of this world.
Yeah.
American men, you know, they're okay, but it's different. I feel like Jamaican men have this way of them just love show off. Sorry to say it, but yes they do. And American men love to show off too, but just imagine you go out on a date, right? I don't know. I would much rather to go out on a date with a Jamaican man more over American man. Not because, yeah.
Why? What happened?
The culture.
What are you
I'm
speaking
not
from?
no-
You're speaking from your
yeah,
experience.
from my experience.
Yeah.
I'm not saying like it's about the money, but I can pay for my own meal. I can do that. But it's nice to
The
see
chivalry.
that. Yeah, the chivalry.
Chivalry.
Yes, there we go. Chivalry. Chivalry.
Yeah.
You have some men out there now in Jamaica who have no sense of chivalry.
Yeah.
Saying not every man is the same. Not every man is the same. But, and then again, what I do like about... No, this is embarrassing. You remember how much talk I had in the car?
Yeah, she was telling me.
I'll tell
I guess
her.
like, you want me to say it in a better way?
Yeah.
First of all, excuse the dogs barking. We are outside filming, and there's a passerby. Alright. From what Shadi was telling me, is that Jamaican men are more forward to treating their woman, carrying them out on dates and paying for them, just to show that they're manly enough to do it. Yeah. Versus with the American men, they look for women that will do that for them.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's one thing.
Yeah.
That is so prevalent. Like,
Yeah.
they much rather you pay. Say you need to pay. They want to be taken care of.
Yeah. Well, Jamaican men on the other hand, they would say, babes, order the whatever you want and a bottle of wine. And then take out the big wad of cash and pay for the bill and be like, let's go home. Which is not only to show off, I find that they genuinely want to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy, I think I'm full.
You think you're full already?
Mm.
Oh, yeah, eat more corn.
I'm eating more than you,
Come here and read the question.
Yeah. You want me to read something? Alright, let me read some.
Hold on. We're gonna do
Alright, so
This is the rapid fire. Yeah.
Facebook or Twitter? Facebook.
Neither. Instagram.
iOS or Android?
iOS.
iOS, definitely.
Apple, sponsor me.
High tech or low tech?
High tech. Who picked low tech?
Big
What's
party or small gathering? Big party.
I like both. Alright, big.
No, you
No,
like both.
small. Alright, both, yeah.
I
What?
love small gatherings, like family functions.
No, but just imagine you and like, 5 friends at like, somebody's house watching a movie, drinking. No, you like both and the excitement? I like the excitement.
I like the excitement. I like having fun. I like being in the moment and
Big party expensive.
new clothes or new phone? New clothes.
New clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Cause once you have a new phone, you have that new phone for like
5 years.
yeah. So
Yeah.
we're gonna constantly get new phones. All right.
Sneakers or sandals?
Sneakers.
Or sneakers. Hamburger or taco? Taco.
Hamburger.
Online shopping or shopping in a store?
God.
Shopping in a store, definitely. I hate online shopping.
Online shopping. Can you imagine just dropping these items in your cart and not having to swipe through a rack of clothes?
Yeah, and then when they come, they can't fit or it's not what it seems. Or something.
But no, listen. How about this? When you even forget you buy something and you just get a package, it's like Christmas.
What about ordering something and it's not there? You come home and you're like, where's that package and it's not there? It's not there.
All right, you win. All right.
Car or truck?
Car. Am I gonna drive truck?
Yeah, I can't drive truck, but I love seeing trucks. I love seeing the souped up trucks.
Learn how to drive a
Yeah.
truck.
Like amusement park or daytime at the beach. I love it at the beach.
I love the beach, but amusement parks.
I've never been to amusement park. Mm-mm.
Amusement parks are not.
Yeah.
Jesus, my cousin convinced me. I'm gonna insert a picture. This is the Superman. This is what the ride is called. Tell me why my cousin convinced me and Sash. If you remember the Superman, comment and confirm this experience. This, I think, was our first time going on a roller coaster, and he convinced us to sit in the front seat. The front seat. And the drop, it goes up like this, and then drops like that. Okay, guys, so the camera died, but this is the phone quality. So if it changed, if the volume changed, then sorry about that. Woo. We're just going to wrap up the video, and yeah, I think we ate a lot. I can finish up.
All the portions are finished.
But I still have some yam and some potato
Potatoes left. We probably have like 1 lobster left.
Yeah, if you put together the 2 pieces from
Yeah.
that's one.
The crabs are basically like we just have legs left.
Yeah.
All the claws are done. And we really even eat any of
The
the
seafood
seafood mix.
Some meat. I get the meat with it.
You know what I'm gonna show you?
What?
Curry the remaining
We should.
curried. But you know about curry crab, delicious.
My belly feel full.
Yeah.
Just like eat after I said that. Upstairs. This video was really nice, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this far, I'm gonna say it dark outside and dark in the video, but thank you. And Kai's mom, tell me that wasn't funny. Like, she's like,
I had to be like, Mom, get away. Y'all were talking shit about us yesterday that we can't cook. That it's not gonna come out right.
I'm gonna do the sound.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see.
Wait. I gotta take the potato and stir it. That's what they do.
I'm move up. So good.
And so if you don't do that, it's not a real mukbang.
Not the real one.
Right? And you don't spin it around. That?
Tap it and not a real mukbang.
Not one.
Did he even cook up already?
Huh?
Must take it. Oh,
Full. Whew.
yeah, man. Like I said, all the other questions are gonna get answered in a relationship / risky questions
Video.
Q&A, Q&A video, because we can't do it another one.
The moms.
Yep.
So thank you guys for watching our seafood mukbang video.
I'm sorry that it got dark. Sorry about the flies, the interruption, the dog.
The Lord.
Yeah, I know the bike.
Right.
Or the truck.
But please comment and subscribe and like and share
Yes.
to see more of me.
Yes. You want to see more Khai? Let us know.
Yeah.
Even if you don't want to see more Khai,
You know, Shadi, the next video that we must do?
What?
I should do your makeup and hair. I used to be a makeup artist back in the day.
What? We should. Ooh, Jesus. Alright, guys. I'm gonna call this a day. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. And like Khai said, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Oh.
God.
Not lie. Not lie. Jesus. Good.